Hello guys, we're gonna open Melmetal EX Battle Deck. Let's go! Let's open! Coin! Yes! A book. A big poster! This one. These. Damage counter. Something. And the EX card. It's second side. 60 cards. One, two, five, and steel energies. Boom, switch, session, walk. Energy again. Potion, Lemona, Melton, Great Ball, Basic Energy, it's still Youngster, Bonzong, Energy Sticker, Energy, Worm, Wonder, Zacian again, Energy, Nest Ball, Energy, River Worm, Wika, Energy, Red Ball. It fell out in my hand. Lemona, Meltan, Switch. Another energy that is the same. Reverum, work. Reverum again. Basic energy that's still again. Bonzer, let's ball. Basic energy again. Okay. This guy, I don't know how to pronounce this energy. This one again. 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 This one again, and the last one is the same energy. And I hope that you like my video, guys. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.